7 life insurance myths people tell themselves and their friends. You know how when you are standing around at the water cooler at work or at a party, people always have varying opinions about everything? Life insurance is no different. In this video, we will discuss the 7 primary myths people believe about life insurance. And if you want, you can get our free report about how to get the best life insurance in 4 easy steps in the links below. So let's get started. Myth number 1. Single people don't need life insurance. If you are single and have debt like student loans, credit card debts, or a mortgage, you want to have life insurance at a minimum to cover those debts for the people you leave behind, like family members or executors to your estate. Also, this could be a way for single people to leave a legacy to their favorite charity or organization. Myth number 2. I only need enough life insurance that is 1 or 2 times my salary or income. How much life insurance you need is completely relative to what needs to be covered. An analysis for how much you need should be done. You can use a general idea like the acronym D.I.M.E, which stands for D is for debt like credit cards and auto loans, I is for income over time, M for mortgage, and E for education that is yours or your kids. Myth number 3. My company gives me life insurance so I don't need any more. This may be true. However, you usually cannot take the policy with you if your job changes. Most employers offer up to 2 times salary, and the premium, if it is voluntary, goes up annually, which is usually not enough. Myth number 4. I have to have life insurance. I would say usually yes, but if you have no debt and huge financial assets, then you don't need it. But sometimes there are financial benefits to using life insurance. Myth number 5. Buying term life insurance is the only way to go. If that were true, then the world's wealthy would never buy anything but term, and they buy permanent policies in billions of dollars. You see, over time, the cost of term becomes very expensive. So if you buy a 20-year policy at the age of 25 and then need to buy more coverage at 45 or 50 for another 20 years, the price at that time is dramatically more expensive. Where a permanent policy may be cheaper over the same time period of 40 to 50 years or till death. Another consideration is that at 25 you may be healthy to qualify for a great rate. At 45 or 50 you may not be as healthy or not qualify at all. Myth number 6. The only person that needs life insurance in a family is the income earner. How silly is that? If you have to replace a stay-at-home mom or dad and pay for, say, house cleaning or daycare, those costs add up really quick. Myth number 7. You don't need any life insurance because you have enough money. This is foolishness. If that were true, no one would go bankrupt in the world and the world would be a peaceful and completely sane place. People lose money in the markets every day. Remember 2008? Insurance is not an investment, but a financial tool that, if used properly, can build a very comfortable nest egg without risk for you or your dependents. In fact, famous people used life insurance policies to hedge against market loss or even fortune losses. Walt Disney, J.C. Penney, Ray Kroc, John McCain, to name a few. And recently, even Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. Okay, I said 7 myths, but here's a bonus. Myth number 8. Life insurance is too expensive. Sadly, most people estimate life insurance to be 3 times more expensive than it truly is. For example, a 30-year-old man looking for $250,000 20-year term policy could pay about $160 a year, or right around $14 a month, fixed for 20 years. That is really cheap to have coverage for your family. So if term is what you need, term is cheap. To sum it all up, we just went through 8 life insurance myths people believe. Life insurance is one of the most misunderstood financial products on the market and must be investigated before making a final decision. Just like buying a car, there are options out there. Life insurance comes in many flavors from different manufacturers and not any one size fits all. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Check below the video for a link to get our free How to Get the Best Life Insurance in 4 Easy Steps. And with it, you will get a D.I.M.E worksheet so you can work out how much life insurance you actually need.